This is our sharpener. We have a sander here. We have a polisher. You can also buy it without the sander, with a red wheel on, which will do the same as the sander. All it's going to do is give you the shape. This is. So we're just going to start it up. If you look here now, on the back of this blade there is a burr. You can see that black line. So we've got to get rid of that burr. If we tried to cut with this knife now, it won't cut. All it wants to do is rip, as you can see. So we have our polish. Now we've polished the burr off, hopefully we should have a sharp knife. Once you go trimming with this knife, you only want to do 6 or 7 cows and then come back to your grinder and just polish it. Don't put it on here every time, as you'll just eat knives. Polish, 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 and you've got to put this on here. Thank you.